sker på baggrund fra det ønsker, vi har, fra de værdier, vi har.
Vi vil ikke være danskere, vi vil ikke være amerikanere, vi vil selvfølgelig være grønlændere. Og selvfølgelig er det den grønlandske folk, som bestemmer deres fremtid.
Greenlandic leaders criticized an upcoming U.S. delegation visit to be led by Usha Vance, calling it a political provocation. The U.S. delegation includes top American officials and will visit a U.S. military base in Greenland. Vice President J.D. Vance's wife will tour Greenland as U.S. President Donald Trump pushes for U.S. annexation of the territory. Greenland's outgoing Prime Minister Mute Egede called this week's visit a provocation and said his caretaker government would not meet with the delegation. Meanwhile, leader of the Democrats, Jens Frederik Nielsen, accused the U.S. of disrespecting Greenland's sovereignty. The U.S. delegation will visit the Pituffik Space Base and receive briefings from American service members. They will also tour historical sites and attend Greenland's national dog sled race during their visit. The uninvited trip has sparked fury amid Trump's talk of annexing Greenland, citing its strategic location and rich mineral resources. It is important to note that Greenland sits along the shortest route between Europe and North America, crucial for U.S. defenses. Since retaking office, Trump has promoted the idea of making Greenland part of the United States. The governments of both Greenland and Denmark have firmly opposed any move toward U.S. annexation. The visit comes at a sensitive time as Greenland forms a new coalition government after its elections.
And I also have a message tonight for the incredible people of Greenland. We strongly support your right to determine your own future. And if you choose, we welcome you into the United States of America. We need Greenland for national security and even international security, and we're working with everybody involved to try and get it.
De sker på baggrund fra det ønsker, vi har, fra de værdier, vi har.
Vi vil ikke være danskere, vi vil ikke være amerikanere, vi vil selvfølgelig være grønlændere. Og selvfølgelig er det den grønlandske folk, som bestemmer deres fremtid.